In a quiet suburb, where storefronts were shuttered and hope seemed lost, a daring entrepreneur had a vision: a cat cafe. Everyone scoffed, thinking cats and coffee were a strange mix. Yet, when the doors opened, the inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingled with playful cat antics, luring locals in droves. The cafe not only provided a cozy retreat, but also became a sanctuary for abandoned cats, sparking community spirit. As regulars came for a cuddle with a feline friend, they began to breathe new life into the neighborhood, creating a bustling hub of creativity, compassion, and connection.